In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a family member into Progressive Insurance. To get started, go to Progressive and sign into your account. You can do this either on the Progressive website or through the Progressive mobile app, depending on which one is more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, make sure you're accessing the correct auto policy, especially if you have more than one policy connected to your account. After that, head to your policy details. You're looking for a section with labels like Manage Policy, Drivers, or Add a Driver. The exact wording can vary a little depending on whether you're using the website or the app, but the goal is the same. Open the area where you can make changes to the drivers listed on your policy. Take your time here and make sure you're in the right section before moving on. Next, enter the family member's information. In most cases, Progressive will ask for basic driver details such as their full name, date of birth, driver's license number, and their relationship to you. You may also be asked for driving history depending on the type of update being made and what information the system needs to calculate the policy change. It's a good idea to have all of this ready before you begin, so the process goes more smoothly and you can avoid delays or incomplete entries. Once you've entered everything, review the premium changes. This part is important because adding a driver can affect your insurance rate. The premium might go up or down depending on several factors, including the family member's age, driving experience, and driving record. Read through the updated pricing carefully so you understand exactly how the change will affect your policy before you approve it. When everything looks correct, confirm the changes. Review the updated policy details one last time to make sure the new driver information is accurate. If something looks off, it's better to correct it before submitting. When you're ready, submit the request and allow Progressive to process the update. After the change is completed, your updated policy documents should become available in your account. It's a smart idea to open those documents and double check that the family member was added correctly and that all the information matches what you entered. And that's how to add a family member into Progressive Insurance. If you're following along, just go step by step. Keep your information